When guns aren't the only items on your wish list, you can't afford to spend just any amount buying one, except of course, if you plan to raid a bank. If you just want a gun that offers you the ability to defend yourself from threats, looks nice, and is easy to use, then you don't have to break the bank for that. You probably can already afford a very good gun that's capable of meeting all your shooting needs. If you're on the lookout for the best revolvers you don't have to spend a fortune again, then you're in the right place, because today we're talking about the 7 best revolvers that won't break the bank. As a bonus, we'll also answer an awesome shooting tip that will elevate your shooting game, and you'll love it. Who knows, your next revolver might be on our list. Alright, let's check out those budget revolvers. There are not a lot of reliable and versatile budget revolvers on the market, but the North American Arms Mini Revolver is one you can trust to deliver even in the most difficult situations. The North American Arms Mini Revolver offers impressive stopping power with its 22 Magnum chambering, a perfect choice for personal defense. Its compact design ensures comfortable and discreet carry, while its stainless steel construction guarantees long-lasting durability. Imagine getting a revolver that you can afford with the premium quality of much more expensive ones. That's what you get when you purchase this revolver. This revolver comes as cheap as $250, of course, depending on the model and specifications you choose. Did I mention that it's a concealed carry weapon? Well, yes. This revolver is so compact that you could squeeze it into your purse, small bag, or pocket, and no one would ever notice, which means you get to catch your target unaware. Whether you're out to get some fresh air or going on a trip to a new city, this revolver will come in handy. It's proven time and time again to be reliable. The Charter Arms Undercover is a concealed carry genius. It's not so popular, so you might not recognize it, but that doesn't change the fact that it's an excellent revolver with a price tag so small you may undermine its potential. That could be one of the reasons it's not so popular. This compact 5-shot 38 special boasts a lightweight design, making it an excellent choice for concealed carry without weighing you down. With a price tag that won't break the bank, the Undercover delivers solid performance and stopping power when you need it most. Its simple double-action mechanism ensures ease of use, while the stainless steel construction guarantees durability for years to come. For all the features this amazing revolver packs, it can be taken off the shelf for a price as little as $250, just like the North American Arms Mini Revolver. Certainly not a price tag that matches its tested quality. This revolver could change the status of your whole handgun collection. Just because the Heritage Rough Rider 22LR is named Rough Rider doesn't mean it has a rough design. This revolver can take anything you throw at it and maintain that nice appearance without dropping its performance. Available in various grip and finish options, including a nickel finish with black laminate wood grips, the Heritage Rough Rider allows you to customize your revolver to your preferences, all for cheap. Its tight cylinder lockup ensures exceptional accuracy, making it a reliable and enjoyable for planking, target shooting, and even tackling small pests and varmints. This budget-friendly revolver is the perfect choice for those new to shooting, thanks to its lightweight design and minimal recoil. With its classic Old West profile and precision action, the Rough Rider offers a fun and easy-to-handle shooting experience. Looking at the price tag, you can get this pistol for as low as $150. With the Diamondback Sidekick, you get so much value for so little cash. This is a revolver you should consider, not just because of its cowboy design, but also because its price tag won't empty your bank account. Now, I know I said a lot about price tags already, but I must mention that not many cheap firearms are worth adding to your collection because they might ruin things for you. However, the Diamondback Sidekick, which costs just $300, is one of those few cheap guns that offer way more than their price tag suggests. One of the standout features of the Sidekick is its swing-out cylinder, which allows users to switch between 22 LR and 22 Magnum cartridges in seconds, providing you with that versatility for a variety of shooting applications. The double action or single action trigger and 9-round capacity also ensure that you're well equipped for any situation, especially deadly ones. The Diamondback Sidekick is an affordable and dependable revolver that won't disappoint you. It's an option for you if you want to. For a revolver that's designed to be carried every day, the Rock Island Armory M200 is supposed to cost more than its price tag. Priced at an impressively low MSRP of just $220, the Rock Island Armory M200 revolver is an unbeatable option for those seeking a reliable and affordable firearm. Don't be fooled by its low cost. This revolver packs a powerful punch with its 4-inch barrel, combat polymer grip, and 6-round capacity. With a parkerized finish and fixed front and rear sights, the M200 delivers solid performance and classic design, proving that you don't need to break the bank to own a dependable revolver. The durability of the Rock Island Armory M200 revolver is an important aspect to consider, especially given its low price point. While some budget-friendly firearms can be prone to wear and tear over time, the M200 is constructed with high-quality materials, ensuring long-lasting durability and reliability. Affordable and cheap sure don't mean the same thing, and the Taurus 856 proves that. With its 6-shot capacity, this .38 Special revolver offers an extra round over traditional 5-shot snub-nosed revolvers, providing increased firepower when it matters most. The lightweight design of the Taurus 856 makes it a perfect choice for concealed carry, while the slightly oversized grip ensures better control and reduced recoil. The 3-inch barrel option in the Defender lineup also provides an improved velocity, sight radius, and recoil reduction. As a budget-friendly option, the Taurus 856 doesn't sacrifice performance or reliability. Don't let its affordability fool you. The Taurus 856 is a serious revolver that delivers on all fronts. Talking about performance, the revolver allows you quick follow-up shots in double action mode and precise deliberate shots in single action mode. All these for just $400 to $500. Surely it's a fair price for a revolver that works like a machine, delivering great performance in all conditions. The Ruger LCR is an innovative lightweight revolver that combines classic design elements with modern features to create a reliable and concealable firearm. Depending on the model, the LCR is built to withstand the rigors of daily carry while minimizing overall felt recoil. It features a monolithic frame made from aerospace-grade aluminum or stainless steel. It's also equipped with a Hogue Tamer monogrip and a friction-reducing trigger. The Ruger LCR delivers a comfortable shooting experience that's perfect for personal defense or target practice. Whether you prefer 22 LR, 22 Magnum, .38 Special, 357 Magnum, or 9mm Luger, the LCR's versatile caliber options ensure you'll find the perfect fit for your needs. If we're talking about price point, the revolver costs around $550, and if you weigh the pros and cons, you'll find it very cheap. The world of revolvers continues to evolve and impress with a diverse range of options, showcasing the perfect blend of performance, durability, and affordability. That concludes our list of the 7 best revolvers that won't break the bank. Do you think that these revolvers are affordable? Share your experiences in the comments down below. Also, if you found this video helpful, be sure to hit like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest and greatest firearms in the world. Happy shooting!